In this video, I'm going to show you this really unique corner flange hack that you can create with our standard flange connector, and I think it's really useful in these different situations where you need to mount EMT conduit securely to a corner flat surface. And this was shared by Matthew a while ago. As you can see, he made this really unique patio trellis, and he secured that the flange to the beams on his patio. But here, our standard flange that we have for building things with EMT conduit is just made to go around the conduit, and then you have these 4 bolt holes on the bottom that allow you to mount a flat surface and take advantage of those. But he was dealing with a small narrow board like this 2x4 here, but of course this works on really any corner. But as you can see, if he was going to try to add bolt holes, there's really no way to use and take advantage of all 4 holes. So what he did was really clever and essentially just added a 3rd flange piece to the bottom and then bolted these together, and then that just creates this really unique kind of L-shaped corner bracket that he can use and you can use for mounting 2 corner pieces, kind of like I have in this example here. And one of the limitations of this, of course, is these bolts that you add through here and then through this side would intersect with each other if you don't pay attention to that. So you might want to use longer screws to go through this long side of the board or wall, wherever you're working with, and then do a shorter bolts or screws on this side. But essentially, it allows you to take advantage and still securely mount your EMT conduit to a corner and take advantage of all 4 mounting holes, and then securely mount that conduit in place and then build the rest of your awesome frames off of that. So hopefully this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.